What's up, guys? For those joining us, thanks for joining. So we are currently on the trade we had on GBP USD in the morning. So we caught a sell, but price has decided to pull up. Oh, you hit SL? Like seriously? It means you actually entered. We did not enter correctly because we entered at 1.36 thousand and we are still in drawdown, not SL. So I don't know how. Did you place up to a 20 pip stop loss? Hello, Harat Net. Nice to have you. Barat, something. Yeah, Barat Net. Nice to have you. So where are you streaming from? I trade simple price action, guys. Trade simple price action. Nothing complicated. Simple price action. Okay. And what was your entry? Hot ice. Because we are still close to SL. We are not yet there. We are less than 3 pips to SL. So guys, those just joining us, please do not forget to subscribe. Show some love by subscribing, guys. Let's get it going. Yeah, we actually entered below the resistance. Okay, before we entered below the resistance, and now the market decided to break through the resistance. So yeah, that should be shop Hamas Hams. The name is complicated. It should be shop Hamzax Zena. Yes, Hamza Zena. So we finally got the SL smashed. Chris. Wow. Okay, Chris. Nice to have you here, bro. Are you new to the channel? Is this your first time joining my live stream? Wow. Nice to have you here, bro. Nice to have you, man. So we do this always. We are always live on from Mondays to Fridays. Yeah. Okay. Do not forget to show some love by subscribing, man. So at this point, price has stopped us out. So all we have to do now is just wait and keep watching to see if price can give us something else. But we are not going to force it. So we just got to wait because first, price has broken at both our key level and it's actually above our trend line. It gave us a break and retest, but we had to stick to our plans. So it's SLOTP. There are days like that. Well, we don't just enter randomly. We wait for our confirmations. So we had a confirmation in the morning. That's why we sold. So at this point, we need to see another confirmation to tell us, okay, it's going up or it's coming down for us to take action. So we just smashed our SL, our morning SL. I have one of my friends who contacted me and told me he is still very, very bullish on this pair. Yeah. Hot ice. I remember in the morning you were anticipating for a buy. Yeah, but I'm still very bearish on GBP USD. Okay, so I'm still very, very bearish on this. For those just joining us, do not forget to show some love by subscribing. Let's keep watching to see what price has for us. So if price actually has, then we'll get it. But if not, cool. Oh, okay, hot ice. No problem. So it's very okay. The most important thing about what you did is the fact that you respected your risk. You respected your risk, which is perfect. That's the most important part of it. Yeah. So for those joining us, you're welcome. You're welcome. So we are currently looking at GBP USD, and from our analysis, we've been bearish on GBP USD, and that's why we had to take a sell. But as of now, we just have to watch. So those who were here in the morning, I actually made mention of the fact that normally, if we have to respect, then our stop loss should be above structure. But for those with baby accounts, you cannot be risking $5 out of a $15, $20 account. You are blowing the shit. So you take a 20 pip stop loss. But when you if you get another confirmation above, then it's better. It's better. So as of now, you just wait. Okay, just wait and watch. Let's see if price gives us something smooth, something better, telling us sellers are still winning, then we join the sellers. But if not, then we just have to watch. We have 1 hour to be here. So within the 1 hour, price might give us a confirmation. So this is actually, let me widen this so we can see. So this is 15 minutes. You see the kind of momentum with which price actually closed above. There's a possibility for price to pull all the way up. So that's why we don't need to rush anything. We just be patient and see. So Chris, where are you streaming from? So as long as price doesn't take out these highs, we are So tell me in the comment section, where are you joining from? Where are you streaming from? Are you streaming from the US, Cameroon, Africa? Where are you joining us from? So we are still this is GBP USD. So if we get any confirmation within this zone, we can catch a sell. Hello, Glory. Good afternoon. How you doing? All right. So we are currently looking at it from the lower time frame to see if price can give us any signs. And from what we are seeing, go down to the 5 minute, you realize we have a series of dojis creating. So we're catching a sell again on GBP USD. We're catching another sell on GBP USD. So if you are joining us, we just smashed SL on a trade we took in the morning, having 20 pips a sell. We sold from this zone, hoping that price will react, but price decided to pull higher. So if you're taking the sell, make sure you place your stop loss above structure, which is approximately 24 to 25 pips. So that is it. So there are two things in trading. Once you enter, you just have to wait. Or before you enter, you just have to wait. So that's it. We've taken a decision. We've made a choice and we have to we just have to wait. Okay. This is a setup we've been trying to catch since last week. It has been dealing with us. But what do? We keep trying. That's why swing traders enjoy the most. I have a trade on a prop firm account I took. And good. I'll be sharing I just bought a 5K prop challenge. So I have taken this trade on it. I'll be sharing it with you guys on my IG and here on YouTube. So if you're not subscribed, subscribe and follow the series. Okay. So the series is to help beginner traders understand that it is possible. Okay, let's verify, not like I'm not trying to say we cannot cry. What do? We just accept. I am buying that prop firm to trade it live. I bought it today. I just paid it now. I thought of it last week and I said, all right, let me do it today. So the reason I'm buying the prop firm is for us, all of us, okay? We'll judge all of us and see if it is possible for a beginner trader who is very broke. Is anything above $100 because we actually spent $19 to get the prop firm, okay? So I want us to have a payout of anything. It's a one-step challenge of anything above $100. That means we've actually 5x the account, the amount of money we spent. Okay. So anything above $100, we'll withdraw it. So the prop firm is a one-step challenge. It means we need to pass the challenge first. And once we pass the challenge, the next thing we have to do now is to target a payout of at least $100. So the target is to make 8% of the account, which is approximately, not approximately, it is $400. Okay. So once we achieve the $400 mark, then we'll now have access to live funding. And from there, we'll try to have a payout. And if we successfully get the payout, then it means we've actually achieved the goal. Then we'll upgrade the account to a 10 or 25K account. So if we get a $100 payout, I'll add the money and buy a 5K, a 25K prop. Okay, because as a beginner, so many people are finding it difficult. Imagine you have $100 account and then you make let's say $25 profit and you sacrifice about $20 from it. That's $19, right? To buy a prop firm. And then you still have your $100 accounts, right? then you pass the prop firm and you upgrade to a better one, a bigger prop. And I just want to document a little journey. Let's see how possible it is. Okay. If it's not possible, all of us will see that I failed the prop. But if it's possible, we all will see that we passed the prop. Okay. So it's not like I'm taking other trades and giving you different things. This same trade, I'm in it on the prop firm. Like I've taken this trade right now on the prop account. Okay. So later on, I'll share it with you guys. Yeah. But on my bigger prop, I actually took a trade here last week. You see, all these movements that have been happening, we've not felt it because our stop loss is way above here, above here. That's why swing traders don't stress. We've been trying to cash trades here back to back, struggling, and we've lost money in the process. That's the reason why I had to choose swing trading in 2023 because you see, all this nonsense we've been going through, a swing trader, like the big position I have, is just here waiting for me to stress. If it has to stop me out, it will just pull up gradually and take me out. And I won't lose so many times. Hear me? But if you can hear me, just say yeah in the comment section. It's actually been a difficult trip, guys. We've been having SLs back to back. I remember when I watched Raja and he was explaining how he had to be coming live daily, a similar challenge like what we have right now. And he was hitting SLs back to back in front of his audience to the point where he even had to to take a break because he was like, "Hey, what's going on?" And I was like, "Hey, I don't think that thing can happen to me. This is me hitting SLs back to back, guys. For how many days we've not had one TP? No. This is crazy. This is crazy. It hurts. Personally, I'm losing money, and you guys are losing money with me. If it was just me, it would have been okay. But now we all are losing. But whatever, that's part of the game. So we say fuck the SL and let's keep building. This is a 1:4. So we are targeting a 1:4. We might take it lower to 1:5, but it depends on how the market reacts. That's if it doesn't hit SL again. Okay, Ryan Peace. This is GBP USD. It's Ryan Peace. Sorry, I did not notice your messages. So we are currently on GBP USD and we are just watching. Okay. There's nothing we can do right now. We are in already. If it's good, it's good. And if it's bad, oh, that's part of it. So, guys, the market is stopped as usual. Happening yet. So for those joining us, I am mourning losses. Okay, so we've just been hitting SLs back to back. So I'm human, and normally I must be touched. So that's why I say I'm just silent. I'm speechless. I don't know what to say. So we're actually 2 minutes to the end of this live stream. In case you have any questions, feel free to drop in the comment section. And also tell me where you are streaming from. Where are you joining us from? Just say the name of your country in the comment section. Let's see. Hot Forex, always there, bro. Man, I feel like crying. Um, the losses have been too much back to back. It's not easy. Yeah, I'm human normally. This is money we're talking about. But like I said, that's part of the game. It hurts, but we shouldn't make any irrational decisions based on the losses we've had. We just need to be patient and know that there are good days coming. And we shouldn't attach our emotions to our trading decisions. So we continue trading exactly what the market presents, not how we feel. So our ego should not step in. So, like I said, there's a series going on a prop firm account I've bought, and I will drop every little detail about it here for everyone to see on YouTube. So, for those who are not subscribed, I think you're missing a lot. Okay. So, we're actually a few seconds to the end of the live stream. Let me know if you have any question, you have anything, and you can as well drop the flag of your country in the comment section. Let's know where you're streaming from. So the pair you see on the screen is GBP USD. We are currently selling.